So listen closely, because picking the right brain for the right job changes everything. There are three smart paths, and the truth is you probably end up using all three eventually. So if you already use ChatGPT, for example, you can connect it straight into Hermes and start right away. One note on Claude, because people ask, Anthropic restricted third-party apps, so a Claude subscription won't plug into Hermes the same way. And here's the one that I've been testing actually recently, is Qwen 3.8 Max. It's a 2.4 trillion parameter model with a 1 million token context window built for agent work, and it plugs straight into Hermes. In one of the tests behind this model, it ran autonomously for 10 days, going from an empty folder to a finished working build without any hand-holding. Now, why does that matter for you? Because Hermes runs long tasks. You want a brain that doesn't quit halfway through the race. Option number 2 is that you could use a local model. And this means the model runs on your own machine. Nothing leaves your computer, completely private. And the best local model I've actually tested recently is LFM 2.5 2.6b. Here's why it's special. It was literally trained inside the Hermes harness. The team trained it on agent work, on tool calls, and the exact jobs you'll give it. Most local models slow your whole setup down to a crawl. This one is fast. It can call tools and create skills and search the web, all running on your machine. That means like you could switch your Wi-Fi off, sit on a plane, and your agent still works. I wouldn't use it for heavy coding, but for like everyday agentic tasks, it's genuinely good. To change your model, you just go to your terminal and you type in Hermes model once you've installed it, grab an API key and plug it in. And the setup that I actually run is to mix them. So you can use a frontier brain like Qwen 3.8 Max for the important thinking, and you hand the grunt work to LFM running locally. The boring, repetitive, high volume stuff goes to the small model fast. The hard decisions go to the big one. So like a company where the senior person does the strategy and the junior person does the busy work. The cool thing about all of this is like you don't need to be technical. So if you want to plug in a model to Hermes, you can even get Claude to set this up. So you can go into Claude and just ask it to set this up for you if you prefer. And you can literally tell Hermes, like, use the strong model for important work and the local model for background jobs. It configures itself. Switching models take seconds too as well. So another option is that you can go inside the desktop app here and then just switch the model here. So you can click between them. You see the model bit at the top, you can just switch between them, switch through the drop downs, select whichever one you want. So the great thing about that is if a new model drops next month, which it will, probably will tomorrow as well, you swap the brain and keep the body, the memory, and every skill you've built. Nothing gets lost. By the way, if you want this whole system built out for you, maybe you're watching this and thinking, I want this set up properly, without figuring out every piece alone. That's exactly what we built inside the AI Profit Boardroom. So we've taken Hermes and wired it into our agentic operating system, the agent operating system where Hermes, Claude, OpenClaw, they can all plug into one dashboard with a shared Obsidian memory. You get the Agent OS zip file, the 30-day roadmap for getting Hermes running in your business, step-by-step video tutorials, and daily updates as we improve the system, plus 4 coaching calls every week where you can ask questions about your specific setup live and share your screen so we can fix it together. We've helped over 3,700 business owners in there, and plenty of them have never touched an AI agent before. Link in the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com to get access.